Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to use the concentric page view widget in Teta. The concentric page view widget is used to create scrolling pages which generate useful animations for onboarding screens, page transitions, and more. Once it has been placed within our sections or in simple containers as is the case, we can change the background which will be visible during the animation. We can achieve this by changing the fill within the concentric page view. For instance, let's change it from black to white. Next, by accessing the Play Mode section, you will notice that by scrolling towards your right, the pages will change just like in a page view. In this case though, there will be a short animation due to the concentric page view. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!